Let's explore PHP cURL. cURL allows you to make HTTP requests with PHP. You can send GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE requests to any web service using PHP cURL. It is flexible and powerful, allowing configuration of headers, authentication, and advanced options. cURL, or Client URL Library, is a PHP library for transferring data with URLs. It communicates with web servers and supports HTTP and HTTPS protocols. It also supports SSL and TLS for secure connections. cURL allows for custom headers to be set, and it supports multiple request types. To initialize cURL, first, initialize a cURL session using the cURL_init function. This function returns a cURL handle. Next, set basic options such as the URL to which you are sending the request, and whether you want to receive the response as a string. Use the cURL_setup function to set these options. Finally, to execute the request, use the cURL_exec function, passing it the cURL handle. Store the result in a variable called response. After this, check for any errors using the cURL_error function. Lastly, close the cURL session using the cURL_close function, passing it the cURL handle. Here's a complete example of making a GET request. First, initialize cURL using the cURL_init function. Next, set the URL to which you want to send the request using cURL_setup. Also, set the option to return the response as a string. Execute the request using cURL_exec, storing the response in a variable. Close the cURL session with cURL_close. Finally, you can print the response. To make a POST request, first, prepare the data that you want to send in the POST request. This data is usually in the form of an array. Then, initialize cURL using cURL_init. Set the URL to which you want to send the POST request using cURL_setup. Set the option cURL_post to true to indicate that this is a POST request. Pass the data to the cURL_setup function using the cURL_post fields option. Make sure that the data is in JSON format using the JSON_encode function. Set the option cURL_return_transfer to true so that you can capture the response. Execute the request using the cURL_exec function, capturing the response in a variable. Close the cURL session with cURL_close. You can set custom HTTP headers for your cURL requests. First, define an array of headers that you want to send with your request. For example, you can set the content type, authorization token, and user agent. Then initialize cURL. Set the URL to which the request has to be sent. Pass the array of headers to the cURL_setup function using the cURL_HTTP_header option. Set the option cURL_return_transfer to true. Finally, execute the request and close the cURL session. It is important to check for errors when making cURL requests. After executing the request using cURL_exec, check if there are any errors using the cURL_error function. If there is an error, display the error message. Otherwise, display the response. Finally, close the cURL session. Here are some common cURL options. Basic options include cURL_return_transfer, which returns the response as a string. cURL_timeout sets the request timeout, and cURL_follow_location follows redirects. Security options include cURL_SSL_verify_peer, which verifies the SSL certificate. cURL_user_agent sets a custom user agent, and cURL_HTTP_header adds custom headers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.